So what you're saying is it's free live music.
Isang bag mo.
And it's already a sunny Friday. We've got those good weekend vibes. We can just carry those with us to the National Music Center.
Totally.
Sounds like a great idea.
I want to send a shout out to Britt and the rest of the staff at the Earlton 130th. Went and had lunch there with a friend yesterday, and my go-to there is always the Cajun chicken sandwich. I was like, what? It's not on the menu anymore. Oh no! All right, cool. Well, this roast beef sandwich looks good. We ended up ordering that, and then we're like, hey, how long has it been off the
Oo
menu?
nga, no?
Here's the thing. It's off the menu, but it's still kind of on the secret menu because we have all the stuff for it. So if that's what you want, I'm like, no. I'm still gonna stick with this, but knowing that it's still a possibility, and Earl's has a secret menu, I'm like, what else is on the secret menu?
Nagbabike siya papasok. Dapat pala may bike din si ate.
Jaden ayaw mag-bike, natatakot mag-bike.
Oh.
Kiss!
Daddy, when some of my classmates bring scooters, there's gonna be like a bit a lot.
Nag-scooter yung isang beses
Like
papasok.
5 scooters.
Sumempla.
Daddy, like meron 5 scooters. Or 4.
Yeah, don't talk about the secret.
Ayan, school din, no?
Tickets to Snoop Dogg, big show at the Dome tonight, and one of the favorite things of the contest we did for Snoop Dogg was talk back for tickets, where you can send us a voice note to the free iHeartRadio app for a chance to win. And just this one little thing here, this is from our friend Kate, and it still makes us laugh to this day. Snoop Dogg,
Toothbrush ate.
it's gonna be a hell of a night. It's gonna be so much fun. Shout outs to Tyler today.
What is the dog?
Share yours. Text 99999.
Dito pala school ni ate.
Doon sila. Doon si Jaden pumapasok doon sa dulo na yun.
Oh.
Sa may pinto doon.
Oo.
Paglanggit.
Ay, shit.
Eh, lalakad pa siya mapunta doon.
Oh, lalakad pa. School mo, Jaden, oh.
Si Saisi parang always late, no? Hindi na siya bumababa, no? Oo, lalo siya malilate. Ayun si Saisi, oh.
Kaklase ni Jiwen.
Oo, yan yung una niyang friend, eh.
Pilipina.
Oo, tiga Baguio. Igorot. Go, Jaden. Bye!
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 Bye, Jaden!
Bye!
Bye! Ingat! Laking bag!
Eh!
Ay, pinto. Putik.
Late na sila.
Late sila?
Oo. Dapat 8:45.
Oh.
9 na. Ayun sila sa office.
Ma-o-office sila?
Hindi, dyan lang sila pupasok sa office.
Ah. Kala ko ma-o-office si Agbo.
Dyan sila pupasok. Kasi magpipirma sila ng slip.
Ah, ganon?
Oo, bakit sila na late?
Ay, ganon. Ay, di ganon sila din kahapon.
Hindi.
Ah, nung sa...
Kahapon.
Sakto.
Isang diretso lang yun eh.
Oh.
Yung dalawang magkapatid nga sa baba, naglalakad ko.
Ayan. Diyan din nag-aral.
Kaya ano rin ni Jewel, pero ibang section. Yung isa naman, edad ni Jay, matanda yata kasi, pero grade 4 yata. Okay. Pag-uwian naman marami naman silang.
Hindi ako makatanggap ng OTP o SMS.
Bakit?
Ewan ko, naka-roaming ako eh.
Mag-load ka ulit.
Ganon, hindi.
Paloadan mo muna yung
Hindi ako niluludan, naka-line to eh.
Ay, ganon?
Oo, kaya nga nagtataka ako.
Pero na-message na i-roaming mo bago umalis.
Nakita naman sa system. Tapos sabi niya kumonect daw ako.
Tinawag mo ba? Ikaw nawag mo?
Minessage ko yung manager. Tapos yung kumonect daw ako dito sa Telas or ano.
Sa local dito.
Tapos, wala naman eh. Hindi makaano.
Ay, kukonek mo dito sa Telo.
Oo, pag naka-data.
Magkano naman kaya ang ano nun? At
Naka-charge yun.
Sa customer service ng Telo.
Naka-charge yun sa line ko.
Oo. Tatawag tayo sa ano, sasabihin mo kay Lalo. Tatawag
Hindi ako maka-OTP.
Ha?
Hindi makasend sa akin ng OTP. Kunwari nag-Gcash ako, di ba?
Oo.
Alang lumalabas.
Di ba si Laling load lang siya ng 1 day?
Oh, kasi prepaid siya. Pwede yun. Lapit na lang.
May shortcut dyan
Ah?
sila lalabas.
Ay, gano'n?
Pag lalakad sila dyan sila lalabas sa iskinita na yan. O kaya dun sa likod.
Meron.
Daming lamok mo. Oo, parang lamok dito.
Dita? Ito bahay ni Lale. Bungalow.